So here is an experiment, and what the experiment is, that will be revealed only after the experiment is completed. So I am folding this paper and cutting a hole in this, and the size, the shape of the hole is very different. It's not circular. If I open it, you can see what is the kind of this shape here. Can you see? Can you see the shape? All right. Now another one. For the another one, let me fold it in perpendicular direction. And then I cut a similar hole like this. This is another hole. This is another hole. And then let me cut yet another hole at some angle. So I will fold it at some angle. Let us say at this angle. And then I will again cut a hole, and that hole is like this. It is yet another hole. So varieties of holes I have cut. Alright. And as you can see, the sunlight is falling on this paper. This is a shadow of my hand. So the sunlight is coming and falling on this paper. And then on the other side, we have a wall. And you can also see that the sunlight is falling there. So the experiment is, I will allow this sunlight to fall on this paper in which I have cut the holes, and then a shadow will be formed on the wall, and in the shadow you will have some lighted areas because light will be passing through these holes. So let us see what kind of patches are seen. Let me make this hole slightly bigger. So I have just made this hole slightly bigger. Now I have 3 holes. These are the 3 holes of 3 different shapes. This is close to a parallelogram. This is an oblate type of shape, or a convex lens type of shape. And this is maybe convex lens with a much larger focal length. So now I'll be allowing this sunlight to go through this and fall on the wall, and the camera will focus on the wall. Gradually the camera will go to the wall to show you the shadow and the light in between. So here it is. Camera going from this paper to the place where the shadow is falling, and in the shadow you can see 3 circular bright areas. The light which is passing through these 3 holes of very different shapes and sizes, all are making circular disc on the wall. You can come to this place, and you can see that I have not moved. It's the same paper that I have, the same 3 holes that I have. So that is the experiment.